Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have a try on haul featuring Cupshe. A big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video to share with you what I picked up for my fall winter wardrobe. They have everything over there. So they have swimwear, obviously. I feel like that's the first thing we think about when we think of Cupshe is swimwear, but they've got really cute daytime dresses. They've got great like wedding guest dresses, and then fall, winter, holiday parties, all that stuff. So I've got a mix of things that I wanna share with you today, and they were kind enough to provide a coupon code, which is KF15, that will save you 15% off your orders of $65 or more. And I will have all the links directly to the items that I mentioned, as well as the website down below and the coupon code. And I will also have my sizing as well, because I'm between like a small and medium, but I will let you know what sizes I get in each item in the description box. But let's start. I got a lot, you guys, okay? Got some really cool pieces that I'm excited to style this season. This first one, first of all, anytime Cupshe does a striped blue and white dress, I have to pick it up. They're some of my most worn dresses. I just love a blue and white striped dress. It's just awesome, and Cupshe does it really well. And I actually don't have a long sleeve dress, and I loved this style. So it's kind of that like seersucker type print or material. And it has long sleeves, like I said, and these super cute sleeve detailing with this beautiful little bow. I actually wore this out to brunch this past weekend, and it was so cute. It's still pretty warm here in Dallas. I think it was like 93 or something like that. So I wanted something that was still bright and light, but I don't know, gave a little bit of a fall hint with the long sleeves. I don't know, it's cute. I love this style of like t-shirt button-up dress. You guys know I'm a button-up girl. So this, when I saw it, I knew I had to have it. And I tend to size up with things like that just to get a little more length. So I did get a medium in that. I could have gone with a small. It would have fit perfectly, but I just want to make sure that I'm getting the length and they're not too short, because I'm a toddler mom and I have to make sure I am, you know, able to run, bend, duck, what all the things, you know. Okay, next up, this is just a classic black dress. Now, one thing that I love about this is it's not super form-fitting. I'm not a huge like bodycon type of dressed girl. This is like a nice weighted material that doesn't like hug the body. It just flows so beautifully. Love the square neckline, just such a classic, beautiful fit. And I like that it has a nice slit in it. There's a zipper to get in and out of on the back. I would say you could size down in this. I got this in a small. You could size down if you did want it a little more form-fitting, but for me, it's perfect. It doesn't hug anything. It just lays beautifully on the body. And I think this is just a stunning dress to have a little like long maxi black dress in your collection. Okay, this is like the perfect fall dress. I styled this based over the top of this little white button up. Thought it was so cute with a pair of boots, a pair of loafers, sneakers, whatever you want. I thought it would be adorable. I love this like oatmeal-y cream sort of color with the little pockets. It's just basically a sweater tank dress. Now you can wear these by themselves, but I prefer a button up underneath. I just think it's really cute. And this is the perfect length. Again, I think I sized up in this and I'm so happy I did. I love this. This would be perfect if you work in an office and you want to dress like a little, I don't know, more fall or whatever. It would be so cute to just throw on over a black, a white button up. You could throw it on over any different color button up, stripes, whatnot. This is just a basic, basically think of it as like a sweater vest, but in dress form, and I love it. Okay, I said fall weddings, and I wasn't kidding with this. This is such a beautiful color dress. This is one of my favorite colors, this sort of like emerald green. I love this, and I love this sort of pleating like skirt. I have a couple of skirts in this material, and it's like an accordion print. I think it is so pretty. The top of this is also just very well fitting. There's a band at the waist that kind of gives you definition before it flows out into that big skirt, and then it's got the little twist knot for the breast. I didn't wear a bra with this, but I felt very supported, so I didn't have any issues with that whatsoever. And then it has that cute little peekaboo and adjustable strap. So I think this would be adorable for a fall, winter wedding, because I think jewel tone colors are beautiful for those seasonal weddings. Okay, let's move on to tops and skirts. Let's first start with these two skirts. A leather skirt for me, or a pleather skirt, whatever, is such a staple in the fall and winter season. And typically when I would go out in Chicago, go to a nice dinner, whatever, drinks, whatever, I would wear a black little leather skirt with some tights underneath. And here I don't necessarily need to wear the tights just yet, but wear it with some boots. So cute. I just feel like you cannot go wrong with a little classic black mini skirt. I like that it hugs you in but gives you a little bit of a stretch to it. I did get this in a small. I could have sized up to a medium as well for a little bit looser of a fit, but I don't like when my skirts fit awkwardly loose, so I did go true to size with the small, and I still think it fits really nicely. This is a piece though that I did not have in my collection, and I'm so happy I did. It's this like caramely sort of color brown leather skirt, and it is everything. It has a little hook and eye, same thing like the black one. It does have a little bit different of detailing, like with this piping down the sides, but I freaking love this skirt. It is so pretty, and again, this fits, I got this in a small, this fits pretty true to size. I would say if you wanted to, you could size up, but this is gonna look great with funky sweaters. I don't know, I just feel like a brown like this can be more wearable and not as like dark and dramatic as black. So I'm so happy I have one of these in my collection. And I think this would look cute with cowboy boots as well, like brown, different color brown. You don't have to go matchy matchy, but this caramely brown is like cognac is my favorite color for this season. And it paired perfectly with this little like turtleneck tank. Now this is a little bit more dramatic over the shoulder. It's not like a short tank, but I actually feel like that's more flattering because it kind of draws the eye instead of like stopping it right at the largest part of your arm. Everything about this. I actually liked it untucked over those skirts. I just felt like it was really cute. It's this like gray color, and I feel like it will go with everything. Those skirts, jeans, trousers, anything. This is going to be a staple for this fall and winter season. And for me here in Dallas, I will wear the heck out of this. Okay, next up, I got this little off the shoulder sweater. Again, I thought this was so cute with that black skirt with the black and white stripes. Again, just over the top. I feel like longer line tops are kind of coming back into style, and I'm here for it. I think it's super cute. So love the like slimness of this. It's kind of got some ribbing, piping, detailing, and the beautiful off the shoulder. So cute, long sleeve, and I feel like you can't go wrong with this. Again, trousers, skirt, jeans, anything. This is just like really great basic top, and it's super, super soft. Okay, then I got like two fun sort of festive tops. Again, with this color, same color as that dress. I love these like off the shoulder kind of drapey, satiny tops. This is so pretty. Again, with jeans, with that black skirt, anything would be so cute. And this has a little zipper to get in and out of on the side. It has some fun ruching and a very asymmetrical like top and bottom. This is so beautiful. I will wear the heck out of this when we go out to nice dinners or whatnot. Especially into the holiday season. And then this, nothing screams holiday more than like a beautiful like sequin top like this. I actually have this in a dress form. They came out with it, a very similar pattern last year in a dress in the same like kind of pinky peachy color. So I loved this little sequin top. Again, I would probably pair it with something very similar, like simple, like a pair of jeans and some heels, but it's very pretty and festive. And then we know it wouldn't be a haul of any kind if I didn't include some button-ups. So the first one is this blue and kind of like tan cream striped. I love like these thicker stripes. It can give carnival tent, but I'm here for it. I love this. I think again with jeans, trousers, anything like that would look so freaking cute. And I am so happy that I have this. And I feel like it's very fall colors because it's not like a traditional white and blue. It's like a creamy beige. So pretty. Okay, I have this one shirt that I wore so many times. It was like my standard nice top that I got from Uniqlo. It was like a linen, kind of off, or like boat neck type top with these big poofy sleeves, and I loved it. Okay, so when I saw this, it was giving the same kind of thing. This is giving more extreme, but honestly in the best way possible. I love it. It's kind of giving, you know, that like lady who wears the bananas or fruit on her head is kind of giving that with these sleeves. But I love it, okay? So it's just a basic white button down. It has some like stretch to it, which is very interesting. Not that it really needs it, but it's very thick and weighted, which I do really like. Love these like bell sleeves and these super cute pearl buttons down here. And then you've got the see-through like detailing on these sleeves, which is just so cute. I'm obsessed with it. It's slightly cropped, but not too cropped. It looks perfect whether you want to keep it untucked or tuck it into a pair of jeans is how I envisioned wearing it. And I love this. I think this is one of my favorite tops. It's not a pure white. It's more of kind of like an off-white, just to keep in mind. This is more like a bright blue toned white, whereas this is more of like a warm toned white, but still without comparing it, you would have no idea. It looks like a white. So that is everything that I picked up in my recent Cupshe order. And you guys, I always love their stuff. They come out with so much cute stuff. And again, if you haven't checked them out, I will leave all the details in the description box down below, as well as my coupon code, which is KF15, and that will save you 15% off your orders of $65 or more. The app is also a great way to shop if you're more of an app girl over a website. I am, especially on my phone, but they've got so many cute styles. So whether you're going on a vacation, whether you're going to a wedding, whether you're just looking for some everyday clothes, maybe office wear, whatever, they have you covered. So check them out, and they just have really good pieces at really affordable prices. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon.